How to fix Snapchat streak glitch on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat streak glitch on Android phone. First, open Snapchat and then click settings, and now scroll down until you find here clear cache, and then clear it. And that's it. If that doesn't fix your problem, you can clear cache from the applications settings. Click apps and then apps again and type here Snapchat, and now click storage and then clear cache, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed, and now just go back and try again. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.